Understanding Actoren is simple because it resembles Excel, with worksheets where you can place tables, histograms, charts, and pivot tables. You place something on a worksheet using the toolbox in the top left corner. Here, you'll see a dataset with icons on each line. Actoren not only displays data, but also has tools to present the data the way you want. Each icon is a separate tool that displays the data differently, in the form of a table, as a small map, histogram, chart, key values, pivot table, map, or just text. Now, we will place a tool on the worksheet, using the rental overview as an example. Select the table tool in the rental overview and drag it to your worksheet. After that, you can resize and position the tool as you like. You do this by clicking the edge of the tool. It doesn't have to be very precise. You can always adjust or delete it later. To indicate that you are adjusting, Actoren shows grids on the worksheet. When you press the Save button afterward, the worksheet is saved on the worksheet, and the grids disappear. We have now placed an additional tool on an existing worksheet. You can also create a new worksheet using the New Worksheet button. And when you've used it, you'll see an empty worksheet. So it's easy and fast. Filtering the data is even more straightforward. We will cover this topic in the following videos.